we're going to be learning the titanium flag work count by count today. And we're going to start off in first position, correct? And our first thing is going to be 8 count of jot spins. So with our right hand all the way at the tape up here, we're in first position, guys. We're going to bring our right hand down to our spin spot. And that we're going to see with our right hand, our thumb is down, correct? We're going to grab under with our left, thumb down as well, and bring the flag back up just our left. Grab again with our right, and repeat the same. And this is for 8 counts. On that 8th count, you're going to grab with your money hand on count 8. With your right hand, grab that money hand. Money hand is the space between our thumb and our pointer finger. And we're going to grab the pole right under where our left hand is and bring the flag flat. The flag is now flat and the silk is on our right side. We are going to fall into a sink for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then right when you get down here at 6, your head is down and you're going to bring it all up and do a row the boat between count 7 and 8. So row the boat, 7, 8. Now from the beginning, at first position, it's going to look like this with the jot spins, bringing your flag flat, and the sink. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop. And you end right here at a flat. So if we got the first, 16 counts, it's the jot spins, and then you bring it to a flat, and then you just sink down, row the boat. Once you've done that part, you bring it back to a flat, and we're going to start again at count 1. You bring your left foot out, and then you push your flag forward, up, over, down, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the left foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4. All in one continuous motion. Right after that, you're going to do a move called a waterfall. A waterfall looks like this. And you do that by hitting 4 different counts. So it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. My bad, excuse me. So with the push out, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With those moves together, and we know how to do this next toss. But right after that, it's going to be 9 for a prayer toss, and toss on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you use those prep counts there to reposition your hands for the next move. Now, if we start from the very, very beginning with our jot spins, then we're going to bring our flag flat. After we bring it flat, we're going to do our row the boat. And then after our row the boat, we're going to bring it flat, push out, a waterfall, and then prayer toss on count 9. All right, let's try it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So right after that, you're at a right slant after you catch that prayer toss. 9, 10, 11, 12. You bring your flag to a right slant, the very strong seatbelt position. Your silk is on the right towards the ground. And the next thing you're going to do is, on count 1 and 2, you're going to bring your whole flag over to your left. So I brought it over within 2 counts. 1, 2. And what you're going to feel is your whole upper body is facing towards the left, and this is called a diva, by the way. Whole upper body is facing towards the left as you rock your silk over, and then during the 3, 4 counts, you're going to bring your silk back over to the right, except you aren't going to move the flag, you're going to just move your body. So you're going to rotate the other half of your body, 3, 4. Does everyone see how I did that? And now the silk is on my right. So if I start from that seatbelt slant, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. My left hand is still on the pole, but do you see how it's right here? And my right hand is all the way down where the tape starts for the silk right here. My left hand is back here, bottom cheater, and my right hand is right by the silk. After that, you're going to do a row the boat, 5, 6, or kind of a row the boat, but you're not going to change your body position. You're just going to bring it down 5, 6. And from right here, where you feel your left hand very close to your face, and your right hand is right towards the top of the silk. Again, by the way, if you haven't noticed, your hands have not moved the whole time. It's just your body. So when you do the first counts, 1, 2, you cross over, 3, 4, sweep behind you, 5, 6, all with the same hands. The only time you switch hands is after 5, 6, you're going to do an up and over, which you're going to basically switch where your hands are positioned. You're going to bring the flag up, 7, 8, and what I did was I brought this flag up with both of my hands at the bottom, 7, and on count 8, I was in another seatbelt position, but my flag was on the left instead. And then I'm going to bring it over right in front of me. I do the same thing as the up and over, but I do it right in front of me, outwards. So my hands still connect, but the flag goes out. So if we do that from the beginning with the counts, that's a diva, up, and then over. So the diva is 6 counts, and the up and over are 4 counts. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. With a little prep in between there, just like the last time. And the next thing we're going to do is called a rainbow. A rainbow is kind of like a jot spin, where you're just bringing the rainbow to the other side of your body. So what you do is, the flag is at a right slant. And you bring the flag in till it meets with your left hand, but the pole is down, and both of your hands are down, and that's your checkpoint. And then with your left hand, you take control over the flag, and you bring it over to another slant. All that you're doing is twisting the flag in, connecting with your 2 hands, which are both thumb down, and then bringing the flag to a different slant. So rainbow, and they call it the rainbow because the rainbow just goes like this, and then your flag goes like that as well, if you just did it back and forth. But it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do one half of the rainbow for 4 counts, and the other half, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that takes up the rest of the 8 counts. Right after the 8 counts of a rainbow, you do a turn, which is for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And during that turnaround, you're at a right slant, but right after your turn, you bring your flag to a flat. And then it's important that you bring your flag to a flat for the next move. So if we tried it all the way from the beginning, if we haven't forgotten, we have our jot spins, we bring our flag flat. After we bring our flag back flat, we do a row the boat, and then we do a push out, waterfall, prayer toss, and after we catch our prayer toss, we prep for our diva, up and overs, and this is the over part, and then our rainbow. For 8 counts, we turn for the next 4 counts, and we prep with our flag flat for the next 4, and we get ready for our chorus. So let's try it with counts, just flawlessly together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, we got that, guys? Whew. Now that we are at the chorus for Titanium, our flag is still at a flat, and with our right hand just being on the flag, we drop with our left hand, and we bring our flag behind us. It's going to rest in our arm position once we bring it around us. So once again, the flag is in our right hand, and we bring it around our heads, and it rests in this arm position right here. Right where your elbow is, right on top of that. And it's going to be flat, correct? So this is only for 2 counts. 1, 2, and the next thing you do is an infinity. So everybody knows what an infinity sign looks like, correct? You start up, left, up, down, right, down. Right after you finish your infinity, you cut the plane to do a cone. 7, 8, 9, 10. You do a 45 toss and release on 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. You come to your angle on 10 and release. So basically the chorus looks like from the up and over from behind, the infinity, to the bottom cone to the 45 toss. 1, 2, 3, oh sorry, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you bring the flag forward with just your right hand, but it's all going to be in front of you. Your hands do not move. They just move to get you back in a nice cone position. So again, our chorus looks like 1, 2 behind, infinity, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You bring it up to your left, right here, right? And the pole is behind your body, but your hands are holding it, right hand here, at the, right where the tape starts, and your left hand at the last cheater. You bring your flag under, get it back over to a top cone position, and we're going to do something called tic-tocs. So tic-tocs are basically, you bring your right hand down and let go with your left, or you bring your left hand up, that's count 1. All you did was bring your right hand down and your left hand up. Your right hand did not move, but your left hand did, and this is count 1. And on count 2, you push your left hand over and bring the silk over. 2, and then your right hand still has not moved. You bring the flag up. 3, and then you move the flag back over. 4. And once you're back at your top cone position, you just repeat those moves again. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat again, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side, it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys? So our tic-tocs and very, very fast counts, or to the speed counts, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you do a slow top cone, a slow bottom cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so if we begin again from the chorus, it looks like up and over, infinity, bottom cone, 45, catch on the left, bring it down to a top cone, tic-tocs for 8 counts, guys. Make sure you're doing those tic-tocs to 8 counts, so you're hitting each angle, and then cones for 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just with counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's how it looks like with count, guys. Excuse me stuttering over my own voice. But after you finish the cones, you bring it right up to first position, and you're going to do something called presents. And they're going to be left to right. So on count 1, you bring your flag to the left. And by the way, your hands do not move during these. Your right hand is right by the tape, and your left hand is on the bottom cheater. All you do is, you see how your cone is in a right slant, up? You're going to bring it to a left slant, up. And that's all presents are. You bring them back and forth, back and forth. You just keep your arms strong. Make sure you have a tight squeeze on the pole so that they look dramatic. And as you're pushing them back and forth, you should kind of feel the rhythm within your hands. It's not going to feel very awkward at all. It's going to kind of flow very easily. And you do 16 counts of those. 16 counts of presents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You end back on your right, and then you go into the cones. You go into the boxes, and these are fast boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, guys, so that's how the facts boxes look. Now let's try it with the presents and the fast boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we end in first position from our boxes, and what we do is we just bring our pole and our hands to our left hip. And our hands are going to be in the middle between of where our actual hip is and where the pole is. Reposition your right hand to facing thumb forward, and we're going to do something called Z's. And during Z's, just like the letter Z, we're going to hit every angle on the letter. So we start from first position, we go from angle 1, so it's at our top left, and we're drawing out a Z right in front of us. So we're going to go to our right still on the top, count 2. We're going to cut down all the way to the left bottom, 3, and then just to the right, 4. So if you look, we just made a Z. And what you do is you bounce on your left to your right during the Z's. It will look like 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have to make sure while you're doing the Z's, you're hitting every angle in that Z. All 4 different angles, or it's going to look like this. Z's are supposed to be dramatic, drawn out. Use your whole space in front of you to draw out that Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do that for 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you guys are done with the routine. So, from the very, very beginning with counts, with the draw spins, it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, excuse me, I did those boxes wrong. They're fast boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, guys? So after those boxes, you do right into the Z's. You bring it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you're done.